The next topic we are going to learn is about decimals. So, what is a decimal? A decimal is also a fraction when the denominator is 10, 100, 1000. See the definition? A fraction with denominators either 10 or 100 or 1000 are called decimal fractions or simply decimals. Decimals denote in this way either 1 by 10 or 1 by 100 or 1 by 1000. It also be written as 0.1. 1 by 100 is also be written as 0.01. 1 by 1000 is written as 0.001. Right? Let's understand our today's homework. First, let's do place values of the decimals. If we have already learned this in our class, it's just a revision session where you have to remember all these points. Okay, so here, if there is a point, we already know point before places are ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands, and so on. What all places we have learned till now from the first chapter, they all come under point before ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Point after will get the decimal places. The first part here ones will not come. Decimals itself starts with 10 or 100 or 1000. So here you don't confuse and write again ones, tens like that. It's not like that. So the first part is 10th part, next is 100th part, the next is 1000th part, and so on. It will go on 10,000 part like that. So till now you have to understand till 1000th part, it is more than enough. So when you are writing an expansion of a decimal number, so here when you have a question, you always start writing place values from point. So now my point is here, what I told you, point before we have ones, tens, hundreds. So here I have ones, tens, and here point after I have the 10th part, 100th part, 1000th part, till I have the 1000. So when I am writing the expansion of this, I have to start, see this arrow mark, I have to start from this place. Here it started with tens, so 7 tens will be equal to, come on, 7 tens means 70, then 2 ones means 2, plus now we got to the 10th part. How to write it? We have to multiply? No. So as it is a 10th part, we have to write 3 by 10 plus next 100th part. Sorry, 6 by 100. Next 1000th part, 8 by 1000. Okay. You can also write in place of 3 by 10, 0.3. It's the 10th place, right? 0.06. 100th place, we have to place 6. 0.006, sorry, 0.008. So you can write in this way, or you can write 3 by 10 or 6 by 100 or 8 by 1000. So please give the answer for this quickly. So first write the place values, ones, tens, hundreds, point after 10th, 100th, 1000th. Okay, so start from here, 800s it started, so we'll write from the 800 plus 10 plus 3 plus, here I don't have a number, so you no need to write it. 0 by 10 is also a 0, not required. Then get into the next one, 100th part, it is 2, so 2 by 100, then 4 by 1000, or you can write 2 by 100 place 0.02, or here you can write 0.004, right? The next thing we are going to learn is writing decimals in different ways. The first way is, now I have it is in a mixed number. Just now we have learnt in the fractions chapter 7 1 by 10. It is a mixed number. So we are going to write it in a decimal format. When you are writing this in a decimal format, first put a point, decimal point. This whole number you will write point before. Whatever the whole numbers, you will write point before. So what all you have in the mixed in fraction type. So here the 10th part, right? So we'll write the 10th part first. In 10th part, what is the numerator? 1. So 7.1 is the answer for this. So when you are writing this, see once. First you put the point. Whole number you will write before. Now point after, they gave 100. That means till 100th part they gave. So 2 places they have given, right? 3 1. So if they have given you in such a way where 81.3 by 100 they have given. So in writing this, what you have to do is, you will put a point, 81 is a whole number, you will write before, then 3 by 100, right? 10th part they did not give, they gave 100th part. So in 100th place you will put 3. 10th part they did not give, right? You will put 0. As here there is no 10th part, so answer will be 81.03. This is the first way of writing if it is given in a mixed number. If it is given in a mixed number and asked you to find out the decimal form, you are going to use this way. And if you have given a decimal format directly, like I have given you 7.23, and you have to write it in a number name format, what you will do? You will write 7.23. So decimal after we should read split. We shouldn't read together. Right? So here we are going to write it as 7.23. Next. So here this is the one way. And here let's see one more problem. So 81.31. If you write in a number name, what you will write? 81.31. Okay, you can also write the same in another format where it is whole number. You will write first 81. Then here, what is the number numerator? 31, right? And 31. Which part it is? 100th part. 31 100th. Right. So you can write 81 31 hundredths. Where it is little long, it is simple 81.31.